Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix couldn't load high-resolution images on Messenger. Alright, let's begin. First, check your internet connection. A weak connection can prevent images from loading, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Next, update the Messenger app. Make sure your Messenger app is up to date by going to the App Store, searching for Messenger, and updating it from there. Now, open Settings and get to the General tab. Inside it, access the iPhone storage and locate Messenger. Once you find it, open it up and then offload the app. Once done, reinstall the app and check if the problem is solved. Next, check if the necessary app permissions are permitted. Simply, get to the bottom of the Settings app, Access Apps, and then locate the Messenger app. After that, open it up and grant necessary permissions like accessing photos. Lastly, get to the Messenger app icon, hold it, and then delete the app. Then, get back to the App Store and install a fresh version. So that's basically how you can fix couldn't load high-resolution images on Messenger. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.